Hi guys, this is Daniel from DB Graphics. In this video, we are going to see how to create this stretched text poster using Photoshop. So let's get started. So this is the image I'm going to use for this poster. So this effect will be great in sports posters. Like you can use it in cricket, football, etc. So let me show you how to use it. So this is the image I'm going to use for this tutorial. We need to extract the subject from the background. You can use any tool from here. I'm going to use quick selection tool and go to select subject and select from cloud. Click on select subject. Zoom in to see if any errors are there. I corrected some errors, and now press Ctrl plus J to extract the subject from the background. Now we need to convert our subject into a smart object. Right click and convert to smart object. Now create a new image. Go to file, new, and I'm gonna use the width 1920 and height 1080. That will be useful for a YouTube thumbnail, so I'm gonna use that. Create and select move tool and make sure the subject layer is selected and drag and drop it on the newly created image, I mean the project. Now press Ctrl T to transform and scale it and place it in the middle. Now we need to add the background and shadows. So I'm going to use the gradient background that will be in this color. So it will be good to select colors from the subject itself, I mean using the subject jersey. So I'm gonna add a gradient. You need to click on new adjustment layer and select the gradient and drop down this and select basics and select this one. Now we need to select the color. Double tap over here and it will bring the color picker and select the color from here. Click on OK and again double tap over here, select the same color and click on OK. Now double click over here and reduce the color tone. Little bit, and for this make it little bit darker. Now click OK and make the style to radial. So you can see behind the person it is giving some glow effect. So you can also add little bit scale to increase its glow. Then click on OK, and I can also sense that this background is a little bit dull. So I'm gonna add a levels layer, levels, and so I did some adjustment and this color will be okay for me. Now we need to add shadows. So for this I need to add shadows over here. So adding shadows for this sports poster are very easy. You need to create a new layer and select the brush tool with black as the foreground color, and you need to make the brush like this. For example, if you select the soft brush, you will be having a rounded shape like this, and you need to make the brush flatter. Right now it is in round, and you can see these two dots, and press one dot and move it like this to make the brush flatter, and you can see that. Reduce the brush size. Make sure the new layer is selected and reduce the brush size, something like this, and make sure the flow is reduced to something like 20 works. Press one click and reduce the size of the brush and add shadows like this. Again I'm going to reduce this brush, so That's it. And you can see we have added the shadows. Rename this layer to shadows. Now we need to add a text behind the subject. So add the text. I'm gonna add goal. Make sure the text font is already stretched. Maybe I'm gonna use this font go bold. And you can see the text behind the person. So right now it is already giving a poster look, but I'm gonna stretch the text. So to stretch the text you need to right click and make this text to shape. So I'm gonna convert to shape. Now select the direct selection tool and select the bottom portion of this notes and press shift on your keyboard and move it downwards. For I'm gonna select this portion as well, so press shift and select those nodes as well. Now again I'm gonna move it downwards, so you can see the result. Now again I'm gonna add the shadows to the subject to make it more realistic. So I'm gonna right click and add blending options, click on drop shadow, move it like this, and I'm gonna reduce the noise to 0, increase the opacity a little bit, size a little bit, something like that, it works, and this one looks good for me. And if you want the shadows only affect the text, for example, it is also in the background, the shadows are in the background. If you want to affect only the text layer, you need to duplicate this subject layer, move this text here below this subject layer. So select the subject layer and right click, create clipping mask. Now select this top subject copy layer and hide this drop shadow, and you can see it is only affecting the text, giving the background is far behind and the text is close to the subject. You can also increase the opacity of this shadow. So that's it. This is how we can create this stretch text sports poster in Photoshop. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more future tutorials. Thanks for watching and bye.